Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarket. I'm going to give you here a video of a nice 2014 Moffett M55 sitting here showing 2,112 hours. This thing has a 12-foot mast. Now, it does have brick and block forks, but we can, for free, switch you out for pallet forks. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing has been completely refurbished and repainted. When we repaint these, we take off the roller cage, the seat, many of these covers here, battery cover, anything is gray that's removable. The hood, the back door, we paint these things separately, put it all back together, re-decal it. You get a long-lasting finish because there's paint in between everything. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we also go in here and look for any leaks. We pressure and leak test it. We find things bad, such as hoses. Take a look here. There's a sign of a new hose here. If you look around, you'll see new hoses here and there. If a wheel motor's leaking or a cylinder or a hydraulic pump is weak, we go ahead and take care of it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we also go in here and look for weird items such as pins, bushings, mass bearings, chains, rollers, bearings, anything, bushings, anything of that matter. If it's found to be defective, it's replaced. We'll give you what we call an operational guarantee. We're so confident of our refurbishment process, we'll give you an operational guarantee. When it gets to you, it's going to be condition I've shown you here today. You can buy it online, sight unseen, just through the video and pictures, and be confident. Now, your operational guarantee is just when it gets there, and then it ends. When it's in the condition I said here, then we'll go ahead and back up the engine for additional 30 days. Now, you can see your fluid's been changed, your filters are date coded here. You got nice tire in back, about 70%. In front, you got new tires. We'll show you the clean engine bay here, ladies and gentlemen. Check out that V2203 Kubota. That's a very reliable engine there, ladies and gentlemen. And look how nice and clean this is in here. Take a look here too. There's your knee-deep rubber in front. Now we're gonna go ahead and fire it up here and show you some operations. So here's your mast going up and down. There's your tilt. There's your side shift. Here's your outriggers. Here's the mast going in and out. Now we're going to drive around and show you a little operational. Everything's in sync, your steering's tight, all your tires are good. Backup alarm, all lights are replaced. Now you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. 99lifts.com. Thanks for watching this video.